How to lock apps with Face ID on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can lock applications with your Face ID. So this provides you with additional app security, so you're able to ensure that all of your apps remain private even if someone does unlock your phone. Now, to do this, all you have to do is open up settings. Now, once you go into settings, you're going to go into that particular app's settings. For example, if I want to do this for Instagram, okay, I'm going to go into settings, then search for Instagram. Once I go into Instagram, so whatever app this is, it could be Notes or WhatsApp. And once you do that, you're going to go on ahead and enable the require Face ID feature for additional security. Now, depending on the type of application it is, you may or may not have this setting. If I search for WhatsApp over here, which does have this setting, now once I go into WhatsApp, I can go on ahead and enable the Face ID option. So you guys can see Face ID is enabled. I can turn this off or turn this on, depending on whether or not I want the security feature. You can also enable this for things like notes as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.